Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, today I have a Born Pretty unboxing for you and quite possibly some swatches. So just getting everything out of the packet and we're going to get into this video. How are you all doing? I hope that you are all doing great and having like a good day and everyone's blessed. So let's see, this is a functional gel. Everything just wants to stick. Oh my gosh, lots of static. That's what it feels like. So we're going to get into this box. Okay, so this is a base gel. So I've been wanting to try the Born Pretty base gel, so I'm so happy for this. And I know exactly what I'm going to do with it. And when I can get into this packet, that's just trying to be so difficult. We have some watercolor nail polish. So this is a marble ink. It's a marble ink, because I smell it and it just literally smells like it. I'll show it to you. It's white. Really, really cool. So I'm going to swatch this as well today. Yes, why not? I literally just today saw Votino a little video on Pinterest, and he used like a white marble ink. So I may just do that quick tutorial like in this video, just a quick one. So this is a soft, solid gel, but it's a carving gel. Sorry, I'm not doing ASMR, just trying to let it's getting attached too quickly. So it's it should be a clear carving gel. And the idea is hoping that we can use pigments and mix some color into it. So it's probably similar to the solid glue and everything, but this is supposed to be carving. It feels like the same sort of texture. You never have too much of this stuff. So I will definitely try this and mix in some color into it. Maybe not in today's video, because I want to really do some experiments. So what else have I got? I've got a reflective glitter top coat. So you know, it was just would needed to see what. Sometimes I just open like the bottle and it's easier to snap that off and close the bottle again. So I don't want this to touch the gel. Oh wow, I mean, we have to say 10 out of 10 for the seal, because like that's really, you know, maybe I should have just gone down the line and it would have just been easier. All right, let go. Jeez, all this static. So I just want to have a quick look, see what this. Oh my gosh. So reflective glitter top coat. Oh my gosh. Oh yes, 110% see that. Yes. So what else have I got in here? This, I believe, is a Chameleon chrome powder, nail powder. So I definitely want to try this. Just being oh so careful. Now look at that. So we're gonna definitely swatch that. Just closing it very carefully, trying not to breathe. Okay, so I just wanted to get another tip ready. So this is the one that we're going to use the chrome on. Now it doesn't look like you get a lot in there, And I have bought some chrome like this before, but you know, you're going to work with what you get, right? So I'm just going to work that chrome in, and I guess we're going to see the real beauty of this when it's top coated and everything. So I have just gone in with a no wipe top coat, which is generally what I use for chrome. I'm just working that chrome in. I don't feel like I have a perfect coverage, but you can see the chameleon effect already. So just make sure, and I'm just going to close that. Sorry. Okay, so we've wiped that away. I think this is gorgeous, absolutely. So I'm going to seal it in with a no wipe top coat. Ooh. Look how stunning this is. Ooh. This is a gorgeous pigment, chrome, whatever you want to call it, but can definitely see the chameleon. Okay, so put her in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now for this other nail, we're going to try this watercolor. Let's just do that, just in case this leaks. And we're going to try. So it dries definitely very quickly. Really quickly. Oh, I do like this. Now the idea is obviously like you're going to get lots of dimension. So this is awesome. So I'm just going to stop there. So I really want to see what this looks like. And because it's quite sheer, I thought, yeah, let's use this nude jelly black. She's absolutely gorgeous. I just wondered if it was going to be like this. Subtle to the naked eye, but to the flash, it is amazing. Honestly, looking at it through that lens and then looking through the camera lens is insane. And I really wanted to see it on the jelly because I'm thinking on, you know, solid black. What would that look like? Oops. Okay, so let's cure that. And I'm curious just to see, because obviously this is it's a chameleon. Can you imagine a chameleon? I'm just trying to see what that looks like. Because it doesn't take away. This is a top coat. Now I have put some matte on top of that. So it definitely works better when you matte it, because it dries so quickly. So quickly. These are just pigments I got from Amazon. It's nothing. And just put a little bit of that yellow up there. So I want it just literally there, where we had our design. Just see, because this is carving gel, so I should ideally be able to use some chrome. Well, pigments, should I say. That's all cured, and I'm just using the pigments on my tissue paper. Just see, because we tried to do something that just was too funny. So the pigments really do stick to it really well. It's so pretty. And that's what I mean. So though it's very sheer, it just does not cover your whole, you know, color. I guess it's so you can still see some of the color. Hence why I didn't do it on an opaque black. This is beautiful. Right, let's kill that. So the swatches are done, everyone. Absolutely everything. The watercolor nail polish, we had some fun with that. I saw something on Pinterest that Votina had done using some white marble ink. So I'll be doing something a bit more serious, but I just wanted to see. And, you know, you can see the depth. And I've gone over it, but, you know, with practice, I'm definitely going to nail this. And I put some of that reflective top coat on there. This just looks like a gummy sweet. So it's giving me that jelly gummy vibe, definitely. So that's what we did with that. And that was the solid, soft, solid gel, which is like a carving gel. And you saw what happened when I rolled it. Okay. We tested out the reflective top coat. And this is a jelly black. And the other one is that Chameleon chrome powder. So I did do another swatch of that for you without the glitter, so you can see. So that's without the glitter, and at the bottom that's it in matte. It looks like two different colors, right? I was looking in the lab and I was like, what happened? Did it change color? So that's how that looks. It's absolutely stunning in shiny and in matte. So that's what we did. Those striping stickers I got from Born Pretty from their website. So thank you so much, Lily. I absolutely love everything. I have swatched, and we're definitely going to be back doing a design. I'm going to be using that watercolor nail polish some more, and this solid gel on this nail is giving me all the gummy sweet vibes. So I like how the pigments look on it. So yeah, guys, look out. Might make some sweets. But again, thank you all so much for watching. I'm Mama Does Nails, and I've absolutely enjoyed unboxing and just testing everything that I got. I cannot wait to use this. What do I want to use? The watercolor. Yes, I do. There's a few things I definitely want to do with that, but you need the white. So this is awesome, and you get a big 15ml bottle, so I'm happy for that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Please catch me in the next one. Mwah. Bye.